Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I have come up with a new idea of introducing the Dream Series. Dream Series deals with the young entrepreneurs' future ideas, which brings miracles in our country's business. Today I am releasing the first Dream Series project. Before going into that, an important announcement is that please stay at home as per the guidelines of the government to bring an end to this COVID-19. Stay home, protect yourselves, and protect the nation. Now enjoy the Dream Series Project 1 Making India Electric. Thank you.
Our first topic is electric cars. We have a wider range of electric cars and their mileage will depend on their battery backups. In India, we have Toyota EU and other electric cars are nearly coming to our country. We can charge these cars in home or workplace or any filling station. The new technology cars runs 480 kilometers in just 10 minutes of charge. Now in India, electric cars are available from just 6 lakhs. And its benefits are they reduce pollution, saves money and many more. Our second topic is pollution caused by the diesel or vehicles. In India, 27% of the total air pollution is caused by transportation. The main pollutants emitted from the automobiles are hydrocarbons and lead, benzene, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Our third topic is installation. Hey, it's not a horror movie.
Currently in India, there are a lot of electric e-rickshaws in the market, but they take around 8 to 10 hours for their charging time. But with our system, they can be charged in 80 minutes only.
अभी जहाँ हम पहले चार्ज करते थे वहाँ 10 से 12 घंटा चार्ज होता है, इसके बाद फुल हो जाता है। अभी जो जहाँ चार्ज कर रहे हैं अभी यहाँ पे 80 मिनट में चार्ज हो जाता है। इसमें अच्छा है ये है कि मतलब जब मर्जी चार्ज कर लो, पैसे भी कम लगेंगे।
तो हमने बेसिकली यहाँ पे यही किया कि हम बैटरी की चार्जिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद एक मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम लगा हुआ है जो कंटिन्यूसली वोल्टेज, करंट, टेम्परेचर तीनों को मॉनिटर करता रहता है। फिर इतने % चार्ज हो जाइए और हमें चार्जिंग कट ऑफ कर देनी चाहिए।
Our fourth topic is cost of oil imports in India. According to the Economic Times of India, India has been spending 111.9 billion US dollars per year for importing the oils from Iran and other countries. If we complete this project, it will serve for a lifetime at a cost of 105 billion US dollars, whereas we are spending 111.9 billion US dollars per year. Topic 5. Cost of installation at home or filling stations. information is given to charge an electric car at home. The total cost for installation of an electric station is 1.28 crores and at home is 8 lakhs. Sixth topic is number of refill stations required. India has a total geographic area of 32,87,263 square kilometers, and if we install an filling station for every 5 square kilometers, we need 6,57,452 crore filling stations. The total cost for filling an electric car is rupees 711, diesel car 3,250 and petrol car 3,600 rupees.
Look at tú. Mola.
Information about various diesel and petrol cars are given. Some of these car models also run on electricity. These companies are trying to introduce electric cars in India.
Aspetta.